Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 45 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Dear friends, we have met here today to discuss an important subject, the role of local bodies in the development of rural areas and in the national development. At the outset, I should like to say that the local bodies have a very important role to play in implementing the policies and programs introduced by the government from time to time. If they failed on their part, the whole implementation will be greatly affected. Para change. The situation in the country when it became independent was somewhat depressing, with poverty, low yields in agriculture, dependence on other countries for our essential needs, a poor industrial sector, lack of infrastructure, illiteracy, poor facilities of education and health, poor communications, etc. Therefore, the main and obvious task of the national government then was to launch a number of planned development programs with a view to achieving higher rates of growth in production, making good progress in education, health, transport, other essential sectors of our country, to increase the standard of living of the citizens. In this big process of development, it was felt necessary that the people's participation should be got through their representative bodies for carrying out many programs for socio-economic development and for the welfare of the weaker sections of the society. Therefore, the Government of India appointed a committee to examine rural problems and conditions to make suitable recommendations. But there is a feeling that the development that has taken place in rural India so far has not kept pace with time or needs, and yet they have a key role to play in rural progress for the welfare of the large number of people living in villages. Para change. However, the Panchayati Raj played an important milestone in the progress of villages of our country. On the other hand, there are some who feel that it has introduced a new dimension in the Indian politics and has only helped the traditional leaders and their vested interests in creating, promoting, and forming functionalism. As a result of this, some argue that in a country of our size, with a vast culture and complexity, where caste, class, and history are the parts of its social values, one cannot easily forget the favoritism. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.